What's going on? I'm Dave Smith, and today I'm going to give you my tips on how to kickflip. So first things first is foot placement. That's pretty much key right there. You're going to want your back foot dead center of the tail. You want your front foot about an inch below the bolts. So about there. The one key thing that I tell all my friends that are at this stage or just need a little tip is you want to actually pretend you're kicking the wheel closest to your toe off. I tell that to everybody, and that'll actually work if you're trying to do a fakie kickflip, nollie kickflip, switch kickflip, or whatever. But front foot inch below the bolt and act like you're kicking that wheel off and to the ground. A lot of people will flip the board, but then it ends up doing what we call a rocket kickflip. So kicking that wheel off and down, if you tell yourself that, I think you'll have a perfect flip every time. Another thing you can do is you can actually flip the board and step away from it. You don't have to commit to landing on it just yet. Just keep flipping the board, flipping the board, flipping the board, and then you're ready to commit your back foot. Your back foot is really just bending the knee. After you pop that tail, you want to just bend that knee. So there you have it. Those tips will help with the kickflip, nollie flip, fakie flip, and skateboarding, as we all know, is very frustrating. So, just stick to it, keep that confidence up, and you'll be riding away like the rest of us.